Hello, I'm Elias Robles and I'm a LEORON trainer. I'm a Costa Rican architect and I have been training people in many countries since 2011. Real Estate Masterclass. Did you know that excellent maintenance and tenant management can increase property values by lowering operational costs, increasing cash flow, and generating higher rents and occupancies? In this course, you will learn leadership traits and strategies for effective facilities management, best practices in critical areas like waste removal and reducing environmental impact, and how to manage overlapping maintenance activities, but also, very important, make outsourcing decisions. You will be able to analyze a property by identifying potential issues, differentiate between types of maintenance activities, and identify best practices for each case. You will be trained to weigh the pros and cons of outsourcing to make the best decision for your operation and identify the most critical attributes of a facilities and maintenance leader.